Hey guys, finally Honor launched Honor Magic 6 series in China today. Honor launched two smartphones, Honor Magic 6 and Honor Magic 6 Pro. Honor Magic 6 come with 6.78-inch and Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 6.8-inch 120Hz OLED curved screen. And the good thing is both phones also come with 5000 nits peak brightness maximum. Both phones come with latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5X RAM with UFS 4.0 storage, and both phones also come with self-developed C1 and E1 chip. And the good side is Honor Magic 6 Pro also come with the satellite communication option. After Oppo Find X7 Ultra, Honor Magic 6 Pro also come with satellite communication option. And both phones also come with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide. Honor Magic 6 come with 32 megapixel telephoto lens and Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 108 megapixel telephoto camera, and both phones also come with 50 megapixel front camera. Honor Magic 6 come with 5450 mAh battery with 66 watt fast charger and 50 watt wireless charger supported. And Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5600 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charger and 66 watt wireless charger supported. Honor Magic 6 starting price 4399 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. And Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5699 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. So let me know in the comment section below you thought Honor Magic 6 series. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.